Okay, good morning, guys. Today is October 28th, 2018. And I wanted to make this video to go over how I enter and exit trades. I started this video on my laptop and realized that the sound wasn't working. So I took a picture of my laptop and I'm going to be able to go over to my laptop from my phone. It just won't be a clear video. So in the very near future, once I get my sound and everything back working right, I'm going to go back to my laptop and create a more detailed video. So this video will also explain how I enter and exit trades from my phone. Okay, so I'm going to go there and then I'm going to go to my laptop. I'm going to go to the camera on my phone to go to my laptop. All right, for this video you will need a pen and paper, open demo account, because I wouldn't advise you to practice any strategy with your real money until you're comfortable and know that that strategy will work for you. Very little distractions. Get comfortable and get ready to learn. Indicators that I use is the reversal hunter, which is a indicator that you can download from your MT4 market. Bollinger Bands, RSI, statistic oscillator. Now, a lot of traders say don't use a lot of indicators, but this method worked for me. There's a free website that allowed me to put all of these indicators into one strategy and into one custom indicator that will alert me on my phone or on my laptop anytime all of these conditions are met. Do not use this as your only method for entry. I will show you how to use this method along with candle formation and trend reversal for entry and exit. Your pip goal will determine the chart you need to use for trade signals. Higher chart frames increase your chance of getting higher amounts of pips. Lower time frames is best for a smaller amount of pips. Also use your higher time frame to determine your trend direction for the day or for the week or month. And use your lower time frames for your entry. I use Google for these definitions, right, that I use for the explain these indicators, along with pictures that I also found from Google. It's best, even before you start trying to practice this strategy, it is best that you know at least what these indicators do and know how will these indicators help you. It'll be very hard for you to be successful using this strategy or any other strategy if you don't understand how will these indicators help you, and can use those indicators along with your along with your trading plan or strategy, your trading plan and strategy to enter and exit these trades. So right now I'm going to go over to my MT4 on my phone and I'm going to show you how, I have my indicators set up on my phone. So I would have actually been able to use my phone to set this trade. I'm going to go to a 30-minute time frame. I'm actively in this sale now. Okay. So I have my stop loss set up. I have my take profit set up. My take profit is set up at, I have a daily pip goal, and that's how I set my take profit. And I also have a 3% loss rule. I do not risk more than 3% of my account per day. Okay. So let's go to try to go to my camera. To my camera so we can see my laptop screen. My phone is low, so it doesn't want to do it. Okay, so this arrow right here, this red arrow, is my custom indicator. Let me move this green line over some so you can see it. Okay, this green arrow right here, that red arrow, that came from my custom indicator that alerted my phone when all of these conditions met. Okay, so it alerted my phone when the statistic oscillator was in an overbought condition over the value of 80, and the RSI touched the overbought condition over 80. Okay, so that was on the 30-minute chart. That let me know it was time for me to go to a higher time frame and confirm that the direction was going down. I did not have a alert on the higher time frame. So And then it wasn't even in a bullish, I mean, it still had a bullish candle. So I knew that that wasn't my exact time that I needed to come into that trade. Okay. But it was, it was still overbought. All right. And my reversal hunter app, that is what I also use as confirmation when it's time to come into a trade. It was still in the green. So I knew it wasn't time for me to come into the trade thing. So I knew I wasn't going to come into the trade until it started hitting the orange. But I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to go to a lower time frame, which I'm going to use the 15-minute time chart as a lower time frame. Okay. I'm going to find that. Okay. This is the 15-minute time frame chart. Sorry about that. This is the 15-minute time chart. This is the line. This on the 15-minute time chart, my signal had already went off for a sell. But once again, we're not going to come into this until it's time until it's in an overbought condition on the stochastic oscillator, on RSI, and my reversal hunter is starting to go in the downtrend, and I'm also seeing bearish candles, which is right here. Okay. But somehow I still missed that. I still missed that entry point. Okay. So I didn't really come into the trade until right here. This is where I came into the trade at. The stock crossed. It was getting ready. The color had changed. The trend was going down. The trend is going down. The RSI, the trend is going down. Okay. So I'm still in that trade. I came in right here. So my stop loss was set right here. It looked like it was about to hit my stop loss, but it didn't. It did not hit it. I'm still in the trade and it's still coming down. Okay, I am still in this trade. I had my take profit when I first came into the trade. I've been into this trade since Friday. I had my take profit a lot lower, but I lowered it Friday because I had something else that I needed to do. I had my take profit. I did have my take profit all the way down here. If I would have stayed in it, I would have probably caught all of those pips and been out of this trade. But I removed my take profit Friday by mistake. Not by mistake. I removed my take profit Friday and just started trailing from where I was at. So I missed that and ended up, in the trade a little longer than what I needed to do. But now, all right, I'm in the trade. So I'm going to come out of these trades right in here. Okay. It's ready to go. I'm not at my stop loss. I'm not risking more than what I'm willing to take. But today when the market opened, as a matter of fact, I'm going to move my take profits back down. Okay, because there's another sell signal right here letting you know that the market is going back, is still going down. Here's the bearish candle. I'm already in the trade right where the bearish candles start forming. So I'm going to actually remove those take profits. I'm going to leave the stop loss. I'm probably going to I'm going to leave the stop loss where it is. And I'm going to move my take profits and just stay into this trade until we get another buy signal. Okay. This is an active trade on the Euro USD pair that's going on right now that I'm in October 28th, 2018. I am in this trade until I get another signal to buy. All right. Thanks for watching.